Today I am going to describe diagnosis by face. Face is the mirror of brain. You can study the brain to see the face. Thinking in the brain change the face. A jolly mood you can see by the face. A sad mood you can see by the face. A anxiety mood you can see by the face. A sad mood you can see by the face. A angry mood you can see by the face. In this world, there is millions and millions of the people live, but the face is not 100% tally to each other. All have the different type of the face. Some face is round type, some face is long type. You must see the face of the patient when telling his or her symptoms. The intensity of the complaint you can easily read on the face. When you asked about desire and aversion, you see the face. You asked about the pain of the patient, you see the face. Then you can imagine the intensity of the complaint. Here I am going to deal the three factors. Number one, disease diagnosis by the face, miasmatic diagnosis by the face, and remedy diagnosis by the face. Disease diagnosis according to the see the face. Number one, cyanosis of the whole face, including lips, in the patient complaining of dyspnea, suggest congenital heart disease or congestive heart failure. Number two, sunken eyes with dark rings around the rosy cheeks with flat chest, suggest pulmonary tuberculosis. Number three, swelling under the eyelids with puffiness of the face, especially appear in the morning, suggest nephritis. Number four, solid edema and puffiness of the face, swelling of the subcutaneous tissue and supraclavicular pads, broad nose, slow speech, and absence of the sweating suggests myxedema. Number five, pallor or puffiness of the face suggests anemia. Number six, absence of the toffee, presence of the toffee in the ear suggests gout. Deep yellow color of the skin and conjunctiva, mucous membrane suggest jaundice. Number eight, puffiness of the face with swelling under the eyelids, children suffering from the cough suggest whooping cough. Number 9, brownish spot on the face over the malar bone suggest liver disorder called liver spot. Number 10, red lips and cyanosis of the tips of the nose, ears, and the rows of the face, complaining dyspnea in the suspected condition of the mitral stenosis. Number 11, formation prominent malar bone hanging of the lower jaw, sunken eyes, sharp nose, and extreme prostration. This is found in the case of collapse condition, in cholera, in dehydration. This is called Hippocratic face. Number 12, unequal pupil, tosses and wrinkle of the forehead suggest tabes dorsalis. Number 13, dull earthy looking with cachexia and the eye in the socket suggest malignancy. Number 14, emaciation of the face and polyuria suggest diabetes mellitus. Number 15, Hutchinson teeth suggest syphilis. So there is different type of the face you can judge, but to see the face you can judge the disease. So there are so many kinds of the face you can study. Here I am again going to deal the face you can easily diagnose it. To look the face, patient is suffering from the which miasm is affected. The face on the miasmatic ground. A psoric miasm face, psoric miasmatic face, inverted face, ears small, close to a scalp, lips very red, swollen, dry hairs and dandruff, frontal baldness, excessive facial perspiration, and yellow complexion. This all leads and diagnose about the psoric patient. Psychotic patient, oval face, premature grey hair, reddish nose with prominent enlarged spider spot on face, circular patch in the head and the beard, suspicious eye, yellow eye, warts or mole on the face, cyanotic face. This all leads the diagnosis for the psychotic miasm. Syphilitic face is wily, grey, wrinkle face, old looking face, ears and heads longer, eyelash fall out, bald headed, lips thick, deep fissures in the edge of the middle lips, rough skin, sunken nose, breech, Hutchinson teeth. This leads and this diagnose the syphilitic face. So, to see the face, we can easily diagnose the miasmatic ground, the psoric face, psychotic face, or syphilitic face. We can easily diagnose according to the materia medica to see the face. In aconite, the red face become deathly pale, during the recumbent position, anxious face due to fear of death. Ethuja shanipium, well marked Nelia lazalis, a fold become formed in the wing of the nose up to the corner of the mouth in the both side. Entim tart, face cold, blue, pale covered with cold sweat on the face. Epismel, bag-like puffy swelling under the eyelids, face like weeping disposition. Belladonna face, redness of the whole face. Carbovage, Hippocratic face, very pale, grayish yellow, cold with cold sweat. Camphor face, great coldness of the face with sudden and complete prostration of the vital force. Digitalis, blue color of the face, lips blue. Calicarp, swelling, puffiness of the upper eyelid. Lycopodium, in case of dyspnea due to the bronchitis or bronchopneumonia, there is fan-like motion of the alia nasal. Wrinkle on the forehead with the chest complaint. Platina, proudy looking face. Pulsatilla, very mild and gentle and lovely face. Phosphorus, swelling of the eyes, both eyes lids, very changing face, attract to the every person's. Sulfur, redness of the lips without any coloring. Vetra malleum, cold perspiration on the forehead, icy coldness of the face. Sepia, we marked black shadow on the face. So here, to look the face, we can diagnose the disease. To hear the face, to see the face, we can diagnose the miasm. To see the face, we can diagnose the remedy. So face is the guideline for every physician. When you are dealing with any patient from any disease, you take the symptoms of the patient and try to observe, to see the face of the patient. Not only write the symptoms which telling by the patient, you must try to observe the expression of the face, what the changes which occurs in the face during his complaint. So in this way, you can easily diagnose, usually reach the proper remedy, the proper miasm, and the proper disease. You can easily diagnose the disease, you can easily diagnose the medicine, and easily diagnose the patient. Patient complain with, see the face, write down all things with observation to see the face. Thank you.